Welcome to the Wellness Bunker, where life is finally under control. Ah, yes, modern wellness heals, where the ultimate goal of living well is to remove life itself, one system at a time. Open the door automatically, of course, and step into a home where air is no longer air, it's processed. Sunlight is no longer sunlight, it's calibrated. Congratulations, you are now safe from everything. Once upon a time, humans lived with wind, sun, rain, soil, sound, microbes, a terrible era, really. Thankfully, wellness projects have realized the truth. If nature created it, clearly cannot be trusted. So we block it out completely and then proudly sell it back to you as a feature. Filtered fresh air after sealing all windows. Artificial circadian lighting after eliminating sunlight. Indoor green walls because actual trees are unpredictable. Soundproof living because birds, traffic, and children laughing are clearly toxic. Nature, you had one job. Why rely on intelligent architectural design when you could rely on machines that never fail? Power outage, maintenance delay, sensor malfunction? Relax, that's just your wellness taking a short break. In these homes, you don't breathe unless a purifier agrees. You don't sleep unless lighting software permits. You don't feel calm unless the app says so. True peace of mind is knowing your immune system is now cloud dependent. Some people believe the human immune system evolved through exposure, adaptation, and resilience. How primitive, modern wellness believes the best immune system is one that never meets reality. So we eliminate dust, neutralize microbes, sterilize surfaces, remove all sensory variation, and then act surprised when residents catch colds the moment they step outside. Develop allergies to normal environments. Feel exhausted by the real world. But hey, inside the bubble, everything is perfect. Wellness homes are very thoughtful about family life. They ensure every member has their own private retreat. Sound doesn't travel, interaction is minimal, togetherness is intentional. You don't accidentally meet your family anymore. You schedule bonding like a calendar reminder. Dinner at 8 p.m., please leave your wellness pod. Because nothing strengthens families like strategic distance. Flow implies uncertainty, sensory input, interaction, attitude, none of which are good for premium living. So instead of flowing with life, we control it, filter it, silence it, simulate it. Life becomes very manageable once it's no longer real. The final stroke of genius: block out nature completely, reintroduce tiny portions artificially, branded as exclusive wellness, at a premium. Air, light, greenery, silence, all available for free outside, but far more impressive once packaged, monitored, and billed. This is not design. This is wellness theater. If a home needs constant machines to be livable, filters to replace design, apps to replace instinct, systems to replace nature, it is not a wellness home. It is a well-managed enclosure. Comfortable, yes, impressive maybe, but deeply afraid of life. True wellness homes don't fight nature. They don't sterilize life. They don't confuse control with care. They allow air to move, light to enter, people to interact, bodies to adapt. Everything else is just luxury anxiety, wrapped in glass, machines, and very expensive silence.